What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? Continues. So last time I was making a video. Last time I was making a video, everyone, I told you something about budgies. These are my budgies. The blue is still scared of me, as you can see. Wait till you back off. The yellow, unlikely, is very, very, very. How about this? See, he doesn't care. But the blue, oh yeah, I think we need to get closer to him. See, blue is very, very. So, the blue one, still has seeds in his mouth. He has a little gap in his mouth. I don't know why. Maybe he has breathing problems. He breathes only with his mouth. This guy's a banana. He won't understand. He's not shy. He's really ridiculous. He has a really small brain. And he has a green stomach. But he doesn't understand. Am I right? Am I? What's he doing? Did you just kiss me? Oh, come on, buddy. Don't be shy. Speak. Come on, speak to the camera. What was that? Subscribe? Subscribe to who? Come on, don't be shy. Say it. Subscribe to who? Me? I said subscribe to me. Come on, listen. We need to listen. We need to listen to this. So adorable. Stop your noise and get off my computer. Get off my...
Get my water case. Get my water case. This is not my voice. Warning. 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 This is not.
Hello, little banana.
I swear, why you telling me?
He's like a banana. How do I get closest to the cage? Look at how long his tail is. Same with you, bro. You have a long tail that's skin throughout the cage here. I don't know why does he have orange on his beak. Doesn't see everything. But he is very adorable. What, is he crying or something? What happened to them being noisy and stuff? They already... I'm sick and I already woke up. Are you biting him? Or are you biting Mr. Banana? Are you jealous of him? Oh, never mind. He wasn't playing.
I have a challenge for you, my son. I have a challenge for this paper. Hey! Okay, so... Hey, that's you. Don't look at me. Burpees. We also have to actually get the bed with you and come.
Stop it. My leg is, you know what I mean.
Follow.
No!
Follow.
Ah!
Follow.
No, this video is supposed to be at the birds. This is why my videos always get disliked. I don't know who the fudge is disliking all of them, but the fudging
Is very
idiots.
important. So, concentrate at my chats.
Not. And then I'm going to record videos. My dad's going to Egypt. He already left.
Yeah, he left today.
I wish I had a PS4 controller because I need to download PS. I wish I want to play like whichever one I PS4 controller we don't have.
Okay, hold on. I gotta make this haul.
Are you making kissing sound? Can you do that again? What's he doing? Why is
Here,
that?
it is from the start.
How did your skin do that?
Come. Okay, come. So first we write your name. Bobsy.
Also, his food.
We only get...
His water supplies. His food. Foodie.
And now Mud.
Foodie. Food.
Watch Mud.
He always eats and drink water. His name is going to be Foodie. Oh, that's not really.
Mud.
His eye is really small.
Okay, Bobsy, come.
So weird. His eyes
Come
is
up
getting-
here.
You're gonna be on YouTube. You're gonna be famous. You know that.
Because of your adorableness.
You never seen a budgie with that combination? Why is your back like that? What do you
Okay.
want?
So here's your points. This is your name. And here's like your points by having awesome. And would you have to think, you have to guess. So this is my friend. I can't say if he's my boyfriend or bestie or best friend. Can you guess? Is he my B or my bestie or my friend?
Bestie.
Correct. Oh, you got one? Okay. You got two. Oh, you're so adorable. And now him. The boy do that
Hey.
next to us.
Weirdly, the blue has a flattened.
Here he is.
I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'll see you guys next. Okay. So I'll see you guys in the next video. So I'm gonna see you guys in the next video, and maybe you just need to like and subscribe. Hey, buddy. Hey. Tell the video to like.
Daisy.
You think he's gonna be like? I'm gonna sit back on him. You think he's gonna dislike him? So let's just like and subscribe.
Yeah,
because-
or die else tomorrow.
Yeah, because they said you to subscribe.
What? Look what
So,
I did to the
see you guys in the
I
next
do not have time. My
Peace.